Hello, in this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the WhatsApp application. Go to the Updates menu. From here, you can create a channel on WhatsApp. Tap on Create Channel. In this menu, WhatsApp will provide you with guidance, rules, and features for creating a channel. Click on Continue. Enter the channel name and add a description for the channel. You can add a channel image from here. Now, click on Create Channel. The channel has been successfully created. All you need to do now is copy the channel link and share it on social media platforms or share it through WhatsApp stories. Finally, support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you, and see you in the next video.